This is Tracy Wilson-Rossman. I'm here with Dmitry Skylut from Chariot Solutions, and we're here again at Chariot Day. Dmitry gave a talk on OSGi and how the DM server is being open sourced to Eclipse.
Well, the major one is there's no commercial license anymore. It used to be GPL. So if you thought about, as a company, contributing to it and making modifications to the code base, you were fairly hamstrung by GPL license. I mean, you make modification, that's it, you give up your IP. With the EPL license, you have much more flexibility in forking it and modifying and distributing it. Plus, an idea of moving to the Eclipse, it opens up a little more community to actually look at the source code and provide patches, provide features. So on the plus side, it's a very good announcement. I don't think there is a minus side. In the hindsight, you have to think about why Spring Source decided to keep a GPL initially versus developing it in the open. But I guess there was some concerns they had about the IP, and they wanted to keep some IP for themselves. The Spring framework was Apache 2. But it looks like there's a particular critical path within an adoption of OSGi within an enterprise environment that hasn't been reached in the last 2 years since the development on DM server started. So by moving it into the open, you do have a little more input from the community, and a lot more people maybe trying to play with it or use it. And other companies potentially who were scared away by the licensing or the costs on the commercial side, or licensing altogether on the GPL side, will be able to contribute more. Plus, DM server is not the only OSGi play in town, so it's like Glassfish has Felix underneath its Arias project under Apache, trying to do the same concept of development. So opening it up opens up doors to more people.
Okay. Now, I know that you're a big proponent of OSGi, and you have been probably for the last 18 months. If you're a developer and you're looking to explore using OSGi, where would you tell somebody to go to find more information?
There are multiple places. Like the first place you want to start is obviously the OSGi Alliance website. That gives you access to the specs. It gives you nice overviews about what this technology is and how to use it. 18 months ago, even when I started looking at this technology, even prior to that 18 months, there was very little printed information. The only reference you had is basically the forums or the specs. Now there's a lot of books that are coming out. Manning is publishing a fantastic OSGi in action book. There's a lot of projects which use an OSGi internally, where you can kind of piggyback on that information and see what they have done. So Apache Swing uses OSGi, Equinox, Apache Felix, Spring DM as a project. So there's a lot more information that's coming out about platforms that use OSGi internally versus just being, this hamstrung embedded space.
Okay. Well, Dmitry, thank you very much. I know we've got a lot more going on today at Chariot Day. Appreciate your time, and I'm sure we'll be talking to you again to
Fantastic.
get an
Thank you very
update.
much. I
Thanks.
appreciate it.